What do we want in the world today? Harmony, beautiful. What else do we want in the world today? Unity, respect, dignity. Create a blessing for the world. The world is, the world is peaceful world. Each one on this planet is in harmony and unity with each other. Create the same thing for your family. Each one of us respects and accepts each other. Should respect, accept, nahi. Accepts and respects each other. Radiate that into your house. Radiate that to every family member. Watch the energy change. Contradictory to this? Contradictory to this? We just don't get along. Everyone seeming to have a problem with each other. Radiate and watch it happen.